So now we are going to start with the next chapter, that is chapter number 5. The name is chemical bonding. Okay, chemical bonding. So till now we have studied how the electronic configuration has to write. Okay, on what basis, on what principle these electrons are distributed in proper their orbits, in their shells and in their respective subshells, how they are arranged. Okay, based on the principle, based on the different quantum numbers, we have understood. So now it is time to understand how the chemical bonding takes place. So very important question that will come in our mind is about why are atoms held together in chemical compound. Okay, so the atoms held together, how these atoms that are held together, okay, held together in forming in a compound, okay, together in chemical compound, okay, in chemical compounds. So how the atoms that are held, okay, how the how these atoms, okay, how these atoms will be held together in the chemical compound. ये question आया होगा कभी आपके दिमाग में, जो भी हम लोग लिख रहे हैं, okay, H2O, okay, if this is a compound, so how these atoms of hydrogen, oxygen, okay, they are combining, okay, to form one compound, okay, so that we will understand. Then how are chemical bonds formed between two atoms, okay, how bonds are formed, okay, how bonds are formed, how the bonds are formed in between two atoms, okay, between different atoms, okay, not only two atoms, between atoms बोल सकते हैं हम लोग, okay, between the different atoms. And next important question is which electrons are involved in the formation of chemical bond. Okay, so which electron take part, okay, which electron, okay, take part in chemical bonding, take part in chemical bonding, okay, chemical bonding. So that we are going to understand through this chapter, okay, that we are going to understand through this chapter. So how atoms are held together in their chemical compound, कैसे वो कैसे रहते हैं एक में से अटैच. if any compound, अभी एग्जांपल लिया मैंने H2O, okay, इसमें हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन है, they are, this is one compound, okay, H2O. In the in a H2O compound, these atoms of hydrogen and oxygen, how they are combined, okay, how they are combined, how they are held together to form this compound, okay, how the bonds are formed, bond kaise form hote hai, okay, if we are saying this is the bonding between two atoms, then the question that will come in your mind is that how this bond will be formed, okay, formation of the bond, how it will take place, and what are the electrons that will take part in this bonding. कौन से electrons है इसमें जो इसमें participate करेंगे for the formation of the bond. So the respective answers, so there must be some force that holds them together, okay, so there must be some force, कुछ तो भी force होना चाहिए, okay, इन atoms के बीच में क्या होना चाहिए, कुछ तो भी force होना चाहिए, so that they will held together. So what is that force, okay, what is that force that is keeping, is called as the chemical bond, okay. So some forces that holds them together, so you have already learned in the 9th and 10th standard में पढ़ा होगा आप लोगों ने, that forces holding atoms together in a compound, that are the chemical bond, okay. So what is that force, what is that force which is holding these atoms together, are nothing but this is called as the chemical bonding or chemical bond which is present between this. समझ में? So how atoms are held together in a chemical compound? It is due to the force which is present in the bonding, okay, which is present in the bonding, that is called as the chemical bonding, okay. And next is how bonds are formed, okay, how bonds are formed. So the formation of bonds that will take place either by losing some of the electrons or by gaining some of the electrons. Now how to lose and gain of the electron, that you will subsequently you will learn it through this chapter. आप लोगों को समझ में आ जाएगा कि gain lose कैसे होता है electrons, okay. So based on their nature of electropositivity or electronegativity, okay, that is decided. So how are chemical bonds are formed between two atoms? So there are two ways of formation. There are two ways of formation of this bond. Okay, there are two ways of formation of the bond. So very one way is by loss and gain of the electron. So what is the very first way? By loss और गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, बाय लॉस और गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन। तो क्या हो सकता है, या तो लॉस हो सकता है इलेक्ट्रॉन का, या तो गेन हो सकता है इलेक्ट्रॉन का। एंड हाउ इट इज दैट वी विल अंडरस्टैंड। ओके, so through this chapter, and the next is, okay, next possibility is by sharing a pair of electron. Okay, so by sharing sharing a pair of electron, by sharing a pair of electron. So formation of bond in different atoms is takes place by either loss or gain of the electron, या तो loss हो सकता है या फिर gain हो सकता है इलेक्ट्रॉन में, या फिर क्या हो सकता है another way by sharing a pair of electron. Okay, by sharing a pair of electron, say, so they can share these atoms which are taking part in any chemical reaction for formation of bonding in any compound. So what will happen, they will share the pair of their electrons in between them. Okay, so in this way the bonds are formed. Okay, in this way the bonds are formed. And the last question is, which electron take part in the chemical bonding? So the electrons that are present in the outermost shell of an atom. Okay, so which electrons that will take place? So the electrons which are present, okay, electrons which are, those are present, okay, those are present in outermost orbit. Okay, those are present in outermost orbit, they will take part in formation of the chemical bonding. So I hope you have got basic idea about these questions. Okay, so thorough idea about these questions you will understand through this chapter that is called as a chemical bonding. Here throughout this chapter we have to understand how the different compounds are formed, how the formation of bonding takes place, how the bond structure it is to draw. Okay, then what is the bond angle between them, what is the bond length. So everything that you are going to learn through this chapter, बहुत important है. Okay, very new concept that you are going to learn through this chapter. So how these atoms are held together, how bonds are formed between these atoms. Okay, and what are the electrons that are taking part in formation of this bonding. So this is the basic brief idea about this chapter, that what we are going to learn through this chapter. Okay. So now the scientist name, that is Cosell and Lewis approach to chemical bonding, that we will see very first approach. Okay, very first approach by these two scientists about the chemical bonding. Okay, how the chemical bondings are actually possible in any compound, which was given by the Cosell and Lewis. Okay, so that we will see. Yes. So very first, that is Cosell and Lewis approach. Okay. So this scientist, that is Cosell and Lewis. Okay. Cosell and Lewis approach, approach to chemical bonding. Okay, to chemical bonding. So for the formation of the chemical bonding, so this scientist Cosell and Lewis, they have introduced their theory about formation of bonding. Okay, so number of the attempts were made to explain the formation of the chemical bond in terms of the electrons, but the first satisfactory explanation was given by these scientists. Okay, mute कर लो भाई सब लोग. So very first, this very good attempt, that is Cosell and Lewis has given, and that attempt was they gave a logical explanation of valence. Okay, valence. जो हम लोग बोलते हैं ना valence electron. Okay, so they gave the logical explanation about this valence, and that was, which was based on the inertness of noble gas. Okay, which was based on the inertness of the noble gas. Okay, noble gas configuration. So what is the meaning of noble gas configuration? They are having their octet complete. अगर उसका देखें हम लोग NS2 और NP6, देखो यहाँ पे 6 और 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर प्रेजेंट. So they are having, उसकी जो लास्ट शेल लास्ट ऑर्बिट में टोटल 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं, NS2 एंड NP6 इन दिस फॉर्मेट. ओके, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज देयर इनर्टनेस. अभी देखो इसमें कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पॉसिबल नहीं है, ये तो दूसरी शेल में जाएंगे बराबर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो दैट्स व्हाई दे आर नोन एज द इनर्ट गैसेस. इसके लिए उनको इनर्ट गैसेस बोला जाता है, क्योंकि उनका ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट है, ऑलरेडी उनका ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट है. दे विल नॉट react with the another different atoms. Okay, because the reaction that are generally taking place, it is due to the pairing, sharing and the gaining of the electrons. Neither ये तो gain नहीं कर सकता है, और to give exact direct 6 electrons it is also very difficult, because 6 electrons को share करने के लिए भी बहुत ही energy लगती है. Okay, so that also you are going to understand through this chapter. So this Kosel and Lewis, he has given their attempt based on this valency, okay, and they proposed the theory of valence known as electronic theory of valence. Okay, their theory is known as the electronic, इनकी theory का जो नाम है वो क्या है, electronic theory of valence, electronic theory of valence. Okay, because it is based on the valence number of electrons. So electronic theory of valence, and according to this Lewis, the atom can be pictured in terms of positively charged kernel. Okay, atom को हम लोग कैसे describe कर सकते हैं, that it is a positively charged kernel. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? So positively charged kernel. Okay, positively charged kernel. And what is the meaning of this positively charged kernel? Is that the nucleus plus inner electron. Okay, that is this kernel का meaning जो है ये होता है कि ये उसमें nucleus है. Okay, the nucleus is present in the center and plus inner electron. Okay, plus inner electrons are present. बराबर है, अंदर में जो electrons होंगे, inner electrons that will be present. Okay, and outer shell that can accommodate a maximum of 8 electron. What is that? Outer shell, outer orbit बोल सकते हो, which can accommodate. Okay, which can accommodate maximum, which can accommodate means occupy. Accommodate means it can occupy maximum 8 electron. Maximum how many electrons? 8 electrons. Such was the theory which was given by the Lewis. Okay, Lewis ने ये theory बताई थी. Okay, what is that Lewis? Atom is just like a positively charged kernel. Positively charged kernel means what? The nucleus is present and plus inner electrons are present. बराबर है, उसके बीच में nucleus है and उसके surrounding में the plus inner electrons are present, and outer shell is what? It can accommodate maximum how many electrons? 8 number of electrons that can be present in a maximum 8 number of electrons that can be present at the outer orbit, at the outer shell. Okay, so this octet of the electrons represents a stable electronic configuration. So this octet, okay, so जिसमें ये octet है, okay, so this octet will represent, ये octet क्या represent करेगी? This octet will represent stable electronic configuration. This will represent stable EC, that is electronic configuration. So this octet which will be present in that particular atom, which will represent the stable electronic configuration, and we have already studied this concept. हमने पढ़ा हुआ है already ये concept previous chapter में, that the this will get the atom will get stable, more stable if it is either it is half filled, बराबर है ना, या तो वो half filled है या तो वो fully filled है, या तो वो क्या है, fully filled है. हम लोगों ने देखा हुआ है ये concept. Okay, so atom will be more stable in this case. Atom will be more stable in this case. Also, we have seen the example of copper and the chromium also. Okay, how the electrons that are being shared, बराबर है, इलेक्ट्रॉन कैसे शेयर होता है उसमें, उसके पहले वाले ऑर्बिट में, so that it should have half filled. Okay, in case of chromium and in case of copper, the last the previous orbit is what? 3d10. बराबर है, देखा है हम लोगों ने, बराबर है 3d10. So it is occupied. So having to occupy for more stability. More stability के लिए either it should be half filled or it should be a fully filled. So this octet, as per this Lewis principle, as per this Lewis concept, okay, Lewis theory, this will represent a stable electronic configuration. यानी वो stable रहेगा, atom stable रहेगा. Okay, so stable electronic configuration. Lewis also stated that each atom achieves a stable octet during formation of chemical bond. So what again he told about this, that he also stated that each atom achieves a stable octet. Okay, so what is that? Each atom will achieve, okay, it will achieve a stable octet. Okay, stable octet achieve करेगा, achieve होगा. Okay, each atom will achieve a stable octet during the formation of chemical bond. Okay, during formation of chemical bond. Okay, formation of chemical bond, that also we will see through the examples. Okay, during chemical bond. So this was the theory actually. This was the concept given by the Lewis. Okay, atom is a positively charged kernel. Outer shell accommodate maximum 8 electrons. 8 electrons से ज़्यादा नहीं आ सकते outer इसमें. Okay, and the octet that will represent the stable electronic configuration, and very important is about each atom achieves a stable octet. यानी क्या है? Whenever these atoms, number of atoms that are taking part in any chemical reaction or for the formation of any compound. So whenever any compound it is formed, so during formation of this chemical bond or any compound, what happens? Each atom, it will achieve a stable octet. ये क्या करता है? It achieves a stable octet. This was stated by this Lewis. Okay. So in case of sodium and chloride, this can be achieved by transfer of one electron from the sodium to the chlorine. आप देख सकते हो. Okay, सोडियम में देखो. So when we are saying okay NaCl, sodium chloride, so that time what happens in sodium chloride? So this sodium which is having, अब अगर देखोगे सोडियम में, so it is having total 11 number of electrons. Okay, total 11 number of electrons, and this chlorine, okay, it is having total 17 number of electrons. Okay, how many total electrons? 17 number of electrons. So if we write their configuration, so very first, okay, क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? 2 8 और 1 बराबर है ना? It is like this. Suppose 2 8 1, and for this is 2 8 and 7 बराबर है ना? 2 8 and 7. So look at this right now. One electron is present. One electron is present at the outer orbit बोल सकते हो, and total 7 number of electrons are present at the outer orbit for the chlorine. So now what will happen? It will lose its one of the electron. बराबर है, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या करेगा? लूज करेगा. और ये क्या करेगा? यही इलेक्ट्रॉन को ये क्या करेगा? गेन करेगा. यही इलेक्ट्रॉन को ये क्या करेगा? गेन करेगा. So in this way, when it will lose its electron, so it will have the configuration like 2 8, and it will be written as Na plus लिखेंगे. बराबर है? कैसे लिखेंगे? Na plus, and it will have the configuration like 2 8 and 8, and it can be written as a Cl minus. Okay, so this is the example, that is what formation of the chemical bond between NaCl. Okay, how it is forming, that I will show you with the help of dot and cross structure भी मैं दिखाऊंगा, अभी नहीं, थोड़ा देर बाद. Okay, so this is called as the Lewis concept. Okay, Lewis concept बताया. Okay, octet which represent the stable electronic configuration, and each atom will achieve the stable octet. देखो हुआ ना, एटम, सोडियम एटम ने अचीव किया ऑक्टेट, और ये देखो क्लोरीन एटम ने भी क्या किया? अचीव किया ऑक्टेट, एंड दैट इज it will form the sodium chloride. बराबर है? It will form the sodium chloride when it will combine with each other, and they will form a bond. Okay, chemical bonding will be between this sodium and this chloride. Okay, so this is the concept given by the Lewis. So there are other atoms. Okay, there are other molecules we can say like H2, F2, Cl2, HCl. Okay, so this bond is formed by sharing of a pair of the electrons between the atoms, and in this process each atom attains a stable octet. Okay, क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? So it is achieving a stable octet. आप देख सकते हो. Okay, it is achieving a stable octet. Just now what I said, this is what the stable octet which is achieved by this. So another example बोल सकते हो आप H2 का, okay, N2 का, HCl, H2O भी बोल सकते हो. So in these molecules, what is happening? There is a bond between these different atoms or the similar atoms. उनके बीच में क्या होता है? Bond form होता है. Okay, chemical bonding is formed. And how this chemical bonding is forming? It is forming by achieving a stable octet. For the stable octet, आप देख सकते हो सोडियम में देखो stable octet हो गया. It has lose one of electron, और ये उसने gain कर लिया. Okay, और इसका 8 इसका octet complete हो गया, और इसका भी octet complete हो गया. Okay, so in this way this was the concept given by the Lewis. Okay, So now we'll understand what is the octet rule, okay, and how it is, at what extent it is applicable, octet rule, that we will see, okay. We'll discuss about the octet rule. So now we'll discuss about the octet rule, okay. Till what extent it is applicable, octet rule, okay. So octet rule, what is that octet rule? Octet is forming as per the Lewis concept, okay. Lewis ने जो बताया concept. So while chemical bonding between the two different atoms, or while any chemical reaction is taking place, or for the formation of the any compound, what is happening, this each atom will achieve the octet, okay, configuration. So this Kosal and Lewis propose an important theory for explaining the formation of the chemical bond, and known as the electron theory of the valence. Just now we have seen, and this theory is mainly based on the octet rule. Okay, this is purely based on the octet rule, is based on the stability of noble gases. Okay, it is what, the stability of the noble gases, stability of noble gases. Okay, stability of noble gases, and due to presence of 8 electrons. अभी just मैंने बताया था आपको, noble gases, inert gases, they are having ns2 and np6 configuration. देखो यहाँ पे 6 and 2. What is that? Because s shell में 2 ही इलेक्ट्रॉन रहते हैं, और p shell में टोटल 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कैन बी ऑक्युपाइड, क्योंकि उसमें 3 ऑर्बिट रहते हैं, 3 ऑर्बिट में 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. So in this way 6 plus 2 will be 8. So this noble gases, they will acquire this ns2 and np6 in the valence shell, okay, in valence shell, outermost shell, लास्ट वाली शेल, लास्ट वाले ऑर्बिट बोल सकते हो आप लोग. So it will occupy how many? Total 8 number of electrons, and in this way it will complete it octet. बराबर है ना? So क्या हो रहा है अभी जस्ट जो हमने एग्जांपल देखा सोडियम के लिए यस क्या हो रहा था, 281 था इसका कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, और इसका क्या था, 287 फॉर दी क्लोरीन. So what has happened here? It has lose one of the electron, and it has achieved finally the सिमिलर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन एज दैट ऑफ दी नोबल गैस. देखो आप यहाँ पे कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कैसे पहुंच गया इसका, लास्ट वाले वैलेंस शेल में क्या हो गया, ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट हो गया. वैलेंस शेल में क्या हो गया, ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट हो गया. एंड हियर आल्सो इट हैज कंप्लीटेड, ओके, इट हैज कंप्लीटेड इट्स ऑक्टेट. तो क्या किया इसमें, 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन इसने इसको दे दिया, ओके, एंड इट हैज कंप्लीट इट ऑक्टेट. एंड इसका जो 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन चला गया, उसके बाद में जो लास्ट वाले ऑर्बिट में टोटल 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हो गए. So it is purely based on the stability of noble gas. Means क्या होता है, the atoms that while forming a chemical bond among each other, okay, so they will complete their octet, वो octet complete करेंगे, and they will have a configuration similar as that of the noble gases. बराबर है, they will achieve configuration as that of the noble gases in the form that is ns2 and np6 इस form में आ जाएंगे. So that is called as the octet rule, and this rule states that during formation of the chemical bond, atom loses and gains and the shares of the electron, so that its outermost orbit valence shell contains 8 electrons. Just now I have explained completely, okay. So therefore atom attains the nearest inner gas electronic configuration. तो atom क्या कर रहा है यहाँ पे, जैसे मैंने बताया, atom is achieving, okay, atom is that is achieving a nearby, okay, so nearest inert gas electronic configuration. It is achieving nearest electronic, okay, nearest inert gas electronic configuration, inert gas इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. बराबर है ना. एटम क्या कर रहा है यहाँ पे, देखो ये सोडियम क्या कर रहा है, इट इज अचीविंग इट्स नियर बाय नियरेस्ट इनर गैस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. देखो यहाँ पे 2H, okay, 2H. In this way it is achieving its nearest electronic configuration, okay, nearest electronic configuration of that of inert gas, okay. So this is the concept of the octet rule, okay. So I hope you have understood this, and this octet rule is found to be very useful in explaining the normal valence of the electron elements, okay. So this octet rule is applicable, okay. So this octet rule is applicable, or this rule is found, it is to be very useful, okay, बहुत ही useful है ये वाला in explaining normal valence of elements. Okay, in explaining normal valence, normal valence of the elements. Okay, normal valence of elements, and in the study of the chemical combination of atoms leading to the formation of the molecules. But it should be noted that octet rule is not valid for, yes, not valid for this octet rule. ये जो octet rule है, this is not valid for, this is not valid for, octet नहीं बोल सकते हम लोग जिनमें ऑलरेडी 8 नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है ही नहीं, बराबर है। ऐसे एटम में जिसमें ऑलरेडी 8 जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है ही नहीं, तो वो 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आ सकते हैं क्या उसके लास्ट ऑर्बिट में, बराबर है। यहाँ पे देखो सोडियम क्लोरीन में their number of electrons is more, यहाँ पे देखो टोटल इलेक्ट्रॉन इज 11 और यहाँ पे टोटल इलेक्ट्रॉन इज 17, बराबर है। सो यस, इसमें आ सकता है ऑक्टेट, बट व्हाट इफ इन केस ऑफ लाइक सपोज हाइड्रोजन है, हेलियम है, लिथियम है, बराबर है, इनमें ऑक्टेट है क्या, इनका कंप्लीट नहीं है, बिकॉज देयर आर these elements are having very less number of electrons. These elements like suppose हाइड्रोजन है, लिथियम है, इनमें कितने नंबर ऑफ, इसमें 1 नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है, इसमें 3 नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है। So that's why this octet rule is not applicable for the lower elements which is not having either even 8 number of electrons, जिसमें 8 नंबर का के इलेक्ट्रॉन्स भी नहीं है, उसके लिए एप्लीकेबल नहीं हो सकता। And in that case, okay, and in that case, so they have only 2 electrons in their valence shell, similar of that the helium. Okay, so देखो आप इसमें, so like this helium, helium is having how much, 2 number of electrons, helium is having 2 number of electrons, so they will achieve the noble gases. Noble gases कौन से है, very first is helium, बराबर है, helium, neon, argon, krypton, okay, like this, okay, krypton, क्या हो गया, what are, क्या हो गया, okay, टाइम हो गया, so हम लोग यही पे खत्म करते हैं। So this octet rule, okay, is applicable for the higher number of electrons, जिसमें ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रहते हैं, okay, so but like this, suppose हाइड्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन में एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन है, okay, लिथियम में सिर्फ 3 ही इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है, बराबर है। So in that case this will be called as the डुप्लेट, okay, this will be called as the डुप्लेट, डुप्लेट के बेसिस पे हम लोग उसको आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे। So डुप्लेट, डुप्लेट मीन्स व्हाट, डुप्लेट मीन्स व्हाट, इट इज हैविंग, अगर आप देखोगे हीलियम को, ओके, हीलियम में क्या है, 1s2, 1s2 दिस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है, सो दैट विल बी कोरिलेटेड विद दिस 1s2, ओके। सो मोर अबाउट दिस विल स्टडी टुमारो, ओके, आज यहीं पे खत्म करते हैं हम लोग।